Hello and welcome. The last time we take how can I pronounce the Arabic alphabet with the short sounds of Arabic letters. Today we want to explain what are the long sounds of Arabic letters plus how can I pronounce the first long sound with the Arabic alphabet. First, we start to explain what are the long sounds of Arabic letters. The first sound is the long sound of Fatha is Alif, and I pronounce it. The sound is the long sound of Dhamma is Wow, and we close our mouth is like Ooh, and the long sound of Kasra is E, which we pronounce it like a long E. We start with the long sound of Fatha. How can I practice the long sound of Fatha, the Alif, with all the Arabic alphabets? As we explain, we open our mouth and the sound is like Alif Hamza plus Alif, it's equal for we can write it like that. Ba plus Alif, Ba, Ta plus Alif, also Ta, Tha plus Alif, Tha, Jim plus Alif, Ja, Ha plus Alif, Ha, Kha plus Alif, Kha, Dal plus Alif, Da, Zal plus Alif, Za, Ra plus Alif, Ra, Zay plus Alif, Za, Sin plus Alif, Za, Shin plus Alif, Sha, Sad plus Alif, Sa, Dad plus Alif, Da, Ta plus Alif, Ta, Va plus Alif, Va, Ain plus Alif, A, Ghain plus Alif, Gha, Fa plus Alif, Fa, Qaf plus Alif, Qa, Kaf plus Alif, Ka, Lam plus Alif, La, Mim plus Alif, Ma, Noon plus Alif, Na, Ha plus Alif, Ha, Waw plus Alif, Wa, Ya plus Alif, Ya. Look to the form of some letters. When the letter is independent, he is not connecting with any letter. Look for the form. We have Ba, Ta, Tha. We add for it Alif. Look for the new form. The same story for Jim, Ha, Kha. Before it is contacted by Alif, and after contacting with Alif, this is her new form. The same story with Ain, Ghain, Fa, Qaf. Look. Kaf, independent, plus Alif equal for this form of Kaf. Noon plus Alif. This is the new form of Noon. Ya plus Alif also. This is the new form of Ya, contacting with Alif. The next time we take the long sound of Dhamma. Welcome.